Greg, none of this is surprising. I mean,
No. But the strongest storm ever in Jamaica. We were talking 185-mile-per-hour winds. Made the second landfall earlier this morning, just after 2 o'clock in Cuba. So they're getting hit. Major hurricane. There was a Category 3 when it made landfall in Cuba. So it will continue to be on the move. Melissa will getting up into the Bahamas a little bit till later on today. But the current location on Melissa right now, you see it's moving over Cuba now. The southwestern or southeastern portion of Cuba, just west of Guantanamo Bay, came on shore again earlier this morning as a Category 3 hurricane. So those winds still quite strong there. You can see the winds 115 miles per hour now as it moves over Cuba. Those gusts up to 140. Moving a little faster now with that forward speed. It has increased northeast at 12 miles per hour, and that trend, I think, will continue. You see it's 60 miles roughly west of Guantanamo Bay there in Cuba. So we'll still see the rainfall totals 12 to 18 inches, I think, easily. But there will be some higher amounts, especially in the higher terrain across Cuba. So there will be some mudslides, some dangerous flooding there, and still an additional maybe 3 to 5 inches of rain as we get back down to toward Jamaica there. But it continues to move up into the Bahamas. The storm will a little bit later today. So you see the tropical warning still in effect across the Bahamas, as you might expect, with the storm that will continue to work its way northeast through the area and working its way across the Bahamas a little bit later on as we head into this afternoon and evening. Still as a Category 2 hurricane, so it will weaken some and then move probably just west of Bermuda a little bit later this week, heading on into Thursday night and Friday. Still as a Category 2 hurricane, but hopefully not a direct hit. It doesn't look like right now for the island there of Bermuda, but it will continue to work its way north and east and eventually getting out over the open waters of the Atlantic and weakening some. So we'll continue to update you on Melissa as we go throughout the day.